Today we are going to see how to change color of any object in the picture. So for that I have downloaded these two images from Unsplash. So the first image is by dooley from Unsplash, and I have already opened this image using this open with Photoshop tool. So this is my image. I am going to duplicate the layer using Ctrl J and hiding the previous layer. So in the Photoshop there is a tool called color replacement tool which helps you to replace color of any object. So this is my color replacement tool, and I am going to change the foreground color to say red. Okay, and I am going to start replacing the color. See, you can notice the difference here. The upper portion is somewhat peach and the lower portion is in the pink. So I just have to click and drag over the image with the color replacement tool. It's easy to change the color of a larger object. So we can change the cursor size using bracket tool. So here bracket means the square bracket button I am using to make its width larger or smaller. You will notice here that the Photoshop is so smart that it is changing the color as per the color intensity in the image. We are just about to finish this. Now we are done with this much. Now I have to change the lipstick color to the red one. So as I started doing this, the problem occurs when the object is not even or not in a specific shape. So you will notice here that when I try to change the lipstick color, which is pink, to red, it goes out of the object. So for this you have to choose the lips using this pen tool. So I have another method to change the color of this same image. So let's hide this layer on which we have worked now using color replacement tool, and I am going to duplicate the layer, and now we will going to work on this new duplicated layer. So this is your image. Go inside image, adjustment, replace color. First of all you have to choose the color, a simple click, and then you have to add the shades of the same color to replace it with the given color. Just click, drag and leave. So I am collecting all the shades of pink using this color. Just click, move and leave. Now there is a property called hue. You just have to change it. to the color you want to replace with. But make sure that you are not violating the image that much. Okay. So this is your new image now, and the previous image was this. Isn't it looking realistic that the image was previously in the red shade? It is, right? So up till now we have learned that there are two ways to change the color of any object in the picture. First is color replacement tool, which is given by the Photoshop, and the second one is the method in which we go inside image, then adjustment, and choose replace color. So let's try out with the another image. This is an image of a car, and the image is by Dhiva Krishna. Let's drag the image here as it is taking time to load. So again I am going to duplicate it, and I am not going to choose the replacement tool now, as you get to know that it's little bit difficult and it is not providing that much result. So I am going inside image, adjustment, replace color. First I am going to click on a color, and then I am going to pick the shades of the same color. Make sure that you are not going to choose white and black shade here, because in your overall image there are lots of black and white shades, and it will replace every shade with the next color. So you have to keep that in mind. This is red, little bit purple, blue. Here are the other green shades. Let's keep this. Okay. Now you will notice that the outer portion of the car also get replaced with the green color. See the difference here. Now you have to make the other part of the image as it was before. For that you have to erase this part of the image. So hide the actual image, choose eraser tool, use square bracket, and start doing that. I'm sorry, you don't have to hide the previous layer, just hide the next layer. Just go little closer to the image and reduce the eraser size using square bracket. You will notice the difference here over the tree. If the portion is larger, you can increase the eraser size, but for the smaller area, Try to reduce the eraser size and then work with the tool. So the previous car image was this and we have modified it with this. That's all for the day, friends. Thank you for watching.